It's March and spring is finally here, and we have lots of new videos to inspire you for the month ahead. Gaynor White, one of our expert crochet tutors, brings us this intriguing baubles workshop and proves that baubles are not just for Christmas but can work for any celebration you like. We also look at the first part of a wonderful Hawaiian applique series brought to us by quilter Maggie Davis. She kicks off the series by telling us all about the preparation and first stages to create these unique designs. Dion Swift is back in the Justhands-on.tv studios following her brilliant Makers Studio appearance last year. This time she shares tips and suggestions to get the best out of your sewing machine in her Sensational Sewing Seminar series. Part 1 covers the right setup for you and your sewing machine. Anita Birtles is inspired this month by an ancient Japanese ceramic technique known as kintsugi, as she brings us these unique improvised patchwork quilts with a difference. And Linda Seward returns with her lovely designs inspired by nature, as she uses confetti applique to work real magic into her beautiful textile-based pictures and patchwork. And finally, our Tip Thursday for March features the Stitch Witch herself, Lynette Harris, showing us how to use a twin needle technique to speed up your bias work sewing. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our workshops, led by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.